Hi guys. It's been a month. I know, I have been off of my channel for a month. The last time I posted was my Skims video on September 4th. I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to do this. I don't know really what happened. We're back, so pray for me that this one works today. It better. Anyway, so hello. I hope you don't hate me. I'm back. We're getting back into the swing of things. I started a second channel. I don't know if you guys have seen it. Some of you have, but if you haven't, I will have it linked below. It's all vlogs. It's my personal life. So this channel is just going to be like fashion and style and that kind of a thing. For today's video, it's October 1st when I'm filming this. I'm trying to get this up tomorrow, October 2nd. So happy October. But we are doing a fall essentials kind of a video, but these are all things that I pulled from my closet that I already have. I was trying to think of like, okay, what's the most relatable way I can go about this? I feel like a lot of the times, you know, people who create content, I'm one of those people, we hop on here with like a brand new haul from a brand or something, which is always fun. Those are my favorite videos to do. But it's not always reasonable for everybody. Not everybody is going out to get a whole new wardrobe and is buying a bunch of stuff. Most of us, including me, I'm just like wearing, this is stuff that I've either got within the last few months or I've had since last year. The most relatable way to go around, like, what are you gonna pull out from last season? What was I wearing last fall that I'm gonna bring into this fall too? So, I hope you enjoy. I need water, I'm already talking too fast. So, I have 10 different items for you guys today that I'm considering like my fall essentials, what I like to have for fall, etc., etc. This is something that I feel like most of us have, and even if it's not the right color or whatever, these long ass trench coat kind of style jackets, I'm obsessed with these. I love to layer with them. I'm gonna be honest with you though, I don't really want this kind of color for this year, so I want to look for a chocolate brown one. I think that'll be stunning, but this is just such a good layering piece. I live in the desert, you guys, so fall just started for me. It was like 72 degrees, you know, so, and it's like 80 something today. So I'm still kind of working my way into actual fall, but that's what fall is for me. So loving a jacket like this, like you can never go wrong. And this is gonna last you years. I've had that one for like what, 3 years now. The next thing are shackets, people are calling it. If you guys watched my Nasty Gal haul from a few months ago, I got this, I bought this, and I couldn't really wear it all summer. The only thing about this right now, I feel like for fall, is it's an odd green for fall. It's very bright. The material is a thicker material, so I thought I would be able to wear it for like summer nights, but it was too hot. I'm excited to wear this for fall. It's a thicker material. It's that houndstooth print where I feel like this looks very fall, right? But the color feels more summery, spring to me. But we're gonna make this work because like I said, I live in the desert, so even when the weather does drop and get cold, the sun's out constantly. So I'm like, okay, this still feels like I can wear this. Super cute. It's also a good transitional piece, I feel like, from summer to fall. The material, I wish you could feel it. It's like thicker, but it's not too thick. So once winter comes, I wouldn't be able to just wear it by itself, but this with like a cute little black beanie is like so cozy, right? Every cute blogger girl that I'm obsessed with has a leather blazer jacket, so I had to get this. By the way, this jacket I think is from like Shein or something. I'm trying not to even let them send me clothes anymore, so just whatever. This is from Nasty Gal. This is White Fox Boutique, which is honestly, when I worked with them this last summer, they officially became one of my favorite brands. Every item of clothing was such good quality, I can't even believe it. So this black leather blazer, I'm obsessed with faux leather. It's gorgeous, it's stunning. This also came in a chocolate color, which I almost got, but I feel like I'm gonna get more aware with the black. And it's just a timeless piece. Like, I remember people wearing jackets like this in the 90s, you know? So this is gorgeous. So I love a blazer look, but sometimes it makes me feel a little too professional, where this makes me feel cool girl. Like, imagine this with a hoodie and like a baseball hat and some cute funky like pants and some sneakers. That's like cool city girl vibe, and I'm here for that. I know that was 3 jackets in a row, but like, it's jacket season, so I'm not sorry about it. I've seen so many brands copy Skims with this outfit, and it is this, it's this like fuzzy material. It's so buttery. I have it with this cute little zip up hoodie, super cozy. I love the color, but then it also came with these joggers. I feel like sweatsuit is still happening, right? But this is like a different matching set. It's like elevated. It's buttery, soft goodness. It's so stretchy, it's literally crazy. I feel like for fall, we're going to be seeing a lot of matching sets, but more in these like different fabrics. Like it's not all just going to be sweatshirt material, which I love. The matching sets is just still here, but just different materials now. I really feel like it's gonna be fuzzy girl season. I love it. I'm down for that. Next, you guys, if you guys have been watching my channel for the last few months, I have fallen into like a baggy pants phase. I'm obsessed. And I feel like you can never go wrong with a black jean. You need a good black jean. So one of my fall essentials slash staples slash needs slash can't live without are these black baggy jeans. I believe these are from Pretty Little Thing. Yes, Pretty Little Thing. I'm obsessed with them. I love them. Hey, they're just comfy. They're cool, girl. I feel like I can like wiggle around in them, which I like. They're very comfortable, which I also like. And it's a black jean, like you can't go wrong. I dress these up, I've worn these with heels. I've dressed them down and wore them with sneakers and a big tee. They go both ways. And if you live in a place where it's too cold, you can throw on like leggings underneath and layer them up and it just looks like you're wearing jeans still, you know? One thing, you guys, I don't let go of no matter the season, I just can't let them go. They have me by the neck, it's a crop top. I have two here. They're both long sleeve and they're both black. Let's start off with this one. This is from White Fox. It has this open button in the underwire, which I love. If you haven't seen my White Fox haul, this is from that. Long sleeve. It has a little collar, which also makes me think of fall, like it's like preppy girl. But I love this because we're in transitional fall where I live right now, okay? So I can wear this with the baggy jeans and some sneakers and no jacket and be good to go, right? I know fall's different for everyone else right now. I get it. Like everybody's different all over. I'm just going with like what works, okay? And then I also have this cropped turtleneck, which I think is so cute. It's this ribbed material. This is from Nasty Gal. The thing about this one is I haven't even worn it yet. I have a black one and a white one, but it cuts up in the front so you can like show your bra. But what I'm gonna do is turn it around and just wear the back to cover the front, and then I'll just have more of an open back, which is fine because I wear my pants high-waisted, so it's like half my back is covered. But it's still the turtleneck, right? This feels like a cute fall crop top if you're looking for one. Get out of here. I think it's cute, do you? I think it's so cute. The next thing is, I mean, sweatshirts, come on, duh. But I really love the vibe of like an oversized sweatshirt with a really chunky knit sock and like chunky sneakers. So I have this one. It looks plain white, it's not, just stick with me here, but this is really long. It goes to like my mid thigh. What size did I get this in? I got in a large. I think they were already meant to be oversized. But the back, oh, it says self-love. It says gratitude, patience, let go, be kind to your body, self-care, believe in yourself, love, don't be afraid to say yes, don't be afraid to say no, and live in the now. It's so cute. But this is perfect for those, you know, those fall days where the morning feels cold and then it's the afternoon and you're like, why am I sweating? Why is it hot right now in the sun? You know? So I feel like this is perfect for days like that. I love it. It's long. This is something you can layer, wear around the house. You can wear it out. Like I said, what I would do with this is throw on like a biker short with it just in case it peeks out. Chunky sock, chunky sneaker, cute little backpack. Maybe a beanie or a hat and you're good to go. It gives me very like Princess Diana vibes. You know what I'm talking about? The outfit she would wear. Just need a giant oversized sweatshirt, whether it's a crew neck or a hoodie. You have to have that. I own like 20 sweatshirts and I still don't feel like it's enough. You know what I mean? Sweatshirts are life. I need all new sneakers because mine are either dirty, dingy, or out of style, right? I am so excited because I feel like right now Converse are kind of becoming the it girl sneaker, which they always have been. They've been around. I've worn them since I was literally in elementary school. I've worn them my entire life. They're the best, easiest sneaker, and I'm seeing so many of like the cute blogger girls and like Instagram girls, they're wearing them again, bringing them back, and I'm like, thank goodness, because I've missed them. I've missed them, you know, so I need to purchase some of those. I feel like that's cool right now. It's more about like the slim sneaker at the moment. So I don't have that in this haul, but I wanted to bring it up anyways because I'm planning on buying a pair. I want to do the high top black ones. I also found a pair of these high top blue ones and I'm dying for them. So just letting you know. I feel like that's kind of like the cool girl sneaker of this season. Have you guys noticed that too? I feel like that's silly to say because Converse have been around since freaking before Jesus. Like, I feel like they've been around longer than anything. The next thing is boots. I am on the hunt for new boots. I've had the same boots forever. I have a pair here. You guys have seen these on my channel for years. These are from Fashion Nova, and I only wear them a few times per season because I love them so much. I just want them to stay in shape, but just there's this style of boot I feel like never goes out of style. The only thing that I feel like does is the pattern. I also have these in black, but I wanted to show you guys the snake print ones because I'm not a big pattern girl, okay? But I do feel like, and then I have this pattern right here, but it's rare for me to like want a pattern, but for some reason the black and white snake print feels like a neutral pattern to me. Does that make sense? I feel like there's such thing as a neutral pattern, and that's what these babies are for me, and I love them. They're funky, they're fun without being too like, rah! You know, the right amount of funk for me. So there you go. And then one of my last items here, you guys. Listen, I was never really a hat girl. I've tried for years and I just could never get into it. I was like, I look like a doofusaurus, you know? I got into hats. As you've seen, if you follow me on social media anywhere, I wear this New York Yankee ones all the time. And I just wear it because I like the color. I don't know anything about the Yankees. I know jack shit, but you're welcome for extra showtime, I guess. I don't know. I just wear it all the time. I love it. I just think the green is so perfect. I also have this white fox one that's like a good neutral, so I wanted to bring this out. This is perfect for fall. It matches literally everything here. I don't know if I'd wear it with the green, but it matches everything here. It's a good solid neutral. Oh wow, I just realized I picked out all neutrals. Just like blacks and whites and creams in nude. So for like, this is pretty much all neutrals. I mean, minus the green, but that's interesting. I didn't even notice. But this is just good. It's a staple piece. And this is also helping me in between washes and between hair washes, which I love. I feel like this is a good fall staple. Hats. I feel like that's obvious. This is too obvious to end this video on. Anyway, I did not try on any of these clothes today because I wanted to know if you guys want to see these items styled. Would you like that? Let me know because I will style them for you. I love everything that I have here. So if you want to see these, like some fall outfits, some casual fall outfits, dressy outfits, like what do you want from me? What do we want fall style wise? Do you want to see a try on haul from a certain brand? Do you want, like, what do you want? Tell me anything. I want to hear it. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. I'm so sorry I was gone for a month, but I am back now and I am better than ever. I'm so excited. Like I said, if you guys want to see what's going on in like my day-to-day life and you like vlog style videos, subscribe to my second channel because all of those vlogs will be over there. And yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching and I will see you very soon. We're getting back on track. I promise I'll see you soon. Bye guys.